2004 Murano. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, power mirrors, remote keyless entry, privacy glass, rear window wiper, intermittent wipers. Inside you'll find cruise control, power door locks, power windows, power steering, climate control automatic, universal garage door opener, leather interior, center console. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.